So I just finished the first chapter of SFML Game Development, and I went through it, read it, entered all the code, checked it, double checked it, tweaked it, and I can't seem to get it to work. So this is what we're dealing with here. Here's my game class. Here's the actual code. And ever since I started messing with SFML, I've never really been able to get movement right. It's always jerky or laggy. It doesn't respond correctly. I don't know why it's so difficult. Really, the only time I was able to do it correctly was when I just put a couple if statements into a simple update function and did it that way. As soon as I start messing with delta time and using polling events and basically following the instructions the way it's supposed to be done, then I get this. Make sure you guys can see that. Okay, great. Okay, so you can't actually see it because of my broadcasting software isn't capturing it. But basically, the movement is ridiculously slow. It's not even slow. Like I have to hit the button several times to get it to move, 1 pixel. And I've tried multiplying it to make it move better, and this isn't how it's supposed to work. Something is screwy. I just have a little sprite on screen, and I'm just trying to move it with the WASD keys. So needless to say, I am stuck. But doesn't that figure? I mean, as soon as you try to make something, do something the way it's actually supposed to be done, then it doesn't work. But if I was to just delete all this code and write something really simple, it just had a game loop and some very basic if statements, it would probably work perfectly. So, but that's about right. You do things the way you're supposed to do them, and they don't work, or at least the way I think they're supposed to be done based on a book. You would think, I mean, a book isn't a forum, it's not a YouTube video. A book is, a book. You expect what's in the book to be correct, yet it is not working at all. So yeah, if any of y'all have any bright ideas, scroll through this code slowly so I can take a look at it. But yeah, I am stuck, and I'm getting really frustrated. I'm almost at the point where I just want to say SFML and just go back to Allegro. Like I've made several, 2 or 3 full, small but still full, complete games in Allegro, and they always worked flawlessly. I never had a problem with them. I didn't always understand some of the things I was doing in Allegro. I was just following tutorials, so sometimes the pointers and stuff still are a little mysterious to me, even though I kind of understand pointers. But yeah, so I thought that SFML would be better supported, have a bigger community, and would just be something I should get into, and I'm seriously regretting it. So yeah, please, if anybody out there has any knowledge, the only other thing I can think of is to basically throw this book in the trash. And there was another book that looked really interesting. It was SFML Game Development by Example, and it had better reviews on Amazon, but yeah, but I thought I'd start with this one. Yeah, so these are my game development trials and tribulations. Alright, well, anyways, I'm going to keep hacking away at this. Please comment if you have any ideas on what to do about this. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.